Hey guys, hope you're alright. So, what's up, guys? Hope we're having a wonderful day. Hope that things are wonderful and that you're having a great time. So, guys, in this video, we are going to be drawing Cherrim. Do you guys know who Cherrim is? Cherrim is like one of my favorite Pokemon, actually. Cherrim is actually really cool. So, I don't know if one of you guys love this Pokemon or if there's like a favorite that you guys like, but this is one of my favorites. I have a long list of favorites. So, yeah, Cherrim's on it. So, we're going to draw this, and it is also a Pokemon card. So you guys can totally look at that and you can kind of see what it looks like. I think that it looks really cool. When I usually go for the Pokemon cards, I usually think like, oh man, this one looks cool. So let's see what it would look like if we draw it, I guess, and then without the background and stuff, and see what it looks like. And it looks, I don't know, cool, right? All right, so we're gonna do this. Hope you guys have a wonderful time. Hope that this helps as best as it possibly can, and let's get to it. All right, so guys, here we go. So to start off, you're gonna draw a head. And you're going to have like a little space in between. So it's going to be like a curve, and then it's going to be another curve, and it's going to go around, and it's going to be like that. So you're doing good so far. So now what you're going to want to do after that is we're going to draw this little, Cherrim has like two balls, like two cherry blossom ball things on its head. So we're going to draw the first one, which is like right over here, which is good. And then you can draw the other one, which happens to be over here. And you can kind of see that the head is happening, and there's two balls that make the Cherrim look like a Cherrim. So now we're going to go for the petal. So the petal, like Cherrim has like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 petals. So we're going to draw the first one that's on top of the head. And we're going to start up here. And it's going to go all the way down, right there. And then you're going to have to like do this like little Pac-Man kind of thing. And then, and then you bring it down and it ends up right there. So you're doing good. Guys, that's actually pretty amazing. So now here's the important part, guys. So you can kind of see, okay, pay attention to me. Pay attention, right? Like watch this. Like look right here. So you guys see like the two balls, right? The two little and then you see the petal, right? The petal's in between. There's actually two lines, right? Like there's one line that goes to the ball to the petal, and then there's another line that goes to the ball to the petal. You gotta complete the circle basically. So draw those two lines right there. If you guys can kind of see what that looks like right there, and then you're good. So it's basically just finishing the head, right? Because like those lines are important. Sorry, that was like tough to explain, even though it shouldn't have been. All right, so now we draw the eyes. So the eyes are pretty simple. All you got to do is draw little oval things, right? The little oval things. And Cherrim has really small eyes, right? So it's like adorable, but it has like a big smile but small eyes. So you're good with that. And then you can draw the mouth, which is huge because Cherrim is like super happy in the sun. Like it smiles a lot. It dances around too, right? And there you go. Yeah, that's good. So now you can draw like the details in the eyes, which is going to be like this ball thing. It's like the white circle that makes Pokemon look cute, and then it's like a little pupil in that, which is right behind it, which is good like that. And then you do it to the other side as well. And if you do the both those things, you can kind of see how the eyes are looking like the eyes are coming together. Right? So now what we can do is draw the tongue. Now the tongue is pretty simple. It's just a curve inside the mouth, and it looks like that, basically. All right, good job, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the, what do you call it? The petal, right? The petal? I think it's petals, actually. We'll say petals. And it's going to be the same kind of, like, pretty much the same thing, except it's going to be going towards the right like this. It has, like, you know, that little opening again. It's like the I keep wanting to call it the Pac-Man thing, but obviously it's just like the design of the petal, right? Then you could draw the other side, and you can kind of see where those petals are going and what's happening with that, right? And you bring it back pretty much just like this. So now we are doing good, guys. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to move this, right? We're going to move this a little bit so you guys can see it. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw the arm, and you can with that little space at the bottom. So bring an arm kind of like this and bring it back just like that. And you can kind of see that Cherrim is like moving its arm up. And then you can draw the body using what you just did there. And then it's going to have like spikes, right? So there's going to be a spike right there. And it's going to have a spike right there. It's like, it's almost as if Cherrim is like wearing a dress, right? So this is kind of what it looks like when you leave it right there. And then there's this triangle. So it does look like a dress because what happens is that you put this triangle here and it kind of looks like it's a shirt or a dress or something. So you draw this triangle right here, and then it's good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the arm on the other side, and then it's going to be going away, and it's going to come back just like that. Guys, you're doing amazing, by the way. Fantastic. Okay, so now what we can do is draw the leg. So there's going to be a leg right over here, and it's going to come back just right there. And you can kind of just leave that right there, because what's going to happen is you're going to continue to the other leg, and it's going to look just like this, and it's going to come back right there. And you can kind of see where the body is, which is pretty much like, you know, that's pretty much where the, like, how the body looks. And now all we have to do is draw the petals, guys. We're almost there. So draw the left petal. It's going to go out like this, and it's going to have the same design towards the end like that, and it's going to go back right into the leg like that. And then you're going to draw another one on the right side, because it's supposed to be like a star shape, kind of like 5 petals, right? And it's going to go back in just like this. And then you're done. Guys, that's actually, like, that was so quick and simple and easy. Okay, I don't know if it was easy, right? You be the judge of that. I hope, like hope to the moon, guys. Like hope. Okay, no, hope to the moon and like beyond the stars, right? That this helped you. I really hope that this helped you. Let me know if it did. Let me know if you like Cherrim. Let me know if you guys had fun, or let me know if you didn't. That's also good too. Or let me know what you guys thought. I hope that this was as best as it possibly could be. Also, I don't know, let me know what your favorite Pokemon is. Guys, like I said, I have a long list of Pokemon that I love. Cherrim is actually, like, on that list. So many favorites, right? I love Dragonair. I love Eevee's, like, my favorite. Oh my gosh, Eevee's awesome. Latios. Like, there's a lot of Pokemon that are really cool, right? Emolga's, like, a new part of that list. Pikachu's awesome. There's a lot. But, I don't know, you guys have your favorites too, so you can totally let me know. You can totally let me know how this went. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. See you later. And have fun. Take care. Bye, guys.